That's it for tonight, Money's Car Stereo. We gotta go. Until the next episode. Good night. A little test and tune.
Till we take off, baby. Gonna touch the sky. Girl, you said wanna talk about it. Touch the moon. Girl, yeah. Said it's flight time. Are you ready to go? Girl, first we'll take it slow. Yeah. Your body, my body, our bodies pouring in motion. Here's a story. What I had to be when I heard you say what you said to me. To every dude inside, look like you're working up an appetite for the night. Check it. By then I just sat at the back, when you out the way you act, every string you got, getting out of line.
I don't own the rights to the music, but the show is jamming. Let's go back to it.
Get back in your place. All is well and all is cool. Stay in your place. Don't be no fool. Get along alright. You look like the type that would try to fight. There's all been a friend to me. You don't want to offend me. Better play it cool. Don't know what I might do. Cornbread, fish, and collard greens. I got what you need. If you want it. Cause I'm a pimp girl. You want it. I'm a pimp girl. Ooh, I got what you need. What you need. If you want it. I can rock the world. If you want it. I can do some Jerry.
Today, Sunday, pickup day. Mr. Blackstreet's here to pick up his motorcycle today. And what I wanted to show y'all is a good item to have. Well, it's kind of don't exist, which is for people who have the older Rogue Lives, older FLHTs, take the single DIN radio. This NEX 3500 was a shit. Yes, it's not waterproof. Okay, I'll say that from the gate. But, if you take proper precautions and you don't let someone wash your bike who doesn't know what they're doing, wet the whole front of your bike up, or you just, they call it a whole bath, you just with a sponge, wipe it down, things will be okay. But what's good about this radio is this. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So, for example, right now, we're on some Nina Simone. And I know we really can't see it that good, but you got that. But here's the key thing here, guys. Watch this. If you wanted to go somewhere, all you got to say, let me see something here. We'll go to search. There's a microphone right there. Where are we going today, Ron?
Where would you like to go?
I'll see.
I'm going to my shop. I'm headed to 876 Sweeney.
Getting directions to 876 Megan Road, Livermore.
Oh, before you press go, you guys, you got to make sure it hears you correctly. Let's exit out of there. Let's make sure. Oh, the direction you're given is your shop for, what is your shop? What do you do, Ron?
Man, I do car restoration.
Car restoration. We located up in sunny Redwood City. Are you open to the public, or what's the deal with that?
I'm done by word of mouth. I got a few projects right now I got going, so I'm kind of booked up. Depending on what people have, I can slide you in and out depending on how much restoration needs you have.
Okay, is there a way they can see your line on work or something like that, or you have a Facebook page or something of that nature?
I got an Instagram, TTC Restorations and Fabrication. So yeah, you can find me there. You can see the work that we're doing, the work that's been done, and the work that we're doing now.
Okay. Back to the radio. Mini commercial dropped it in there. Let's try that again. Where are we going again? Hold on, let it.
Where would you like to go?
876 Sweeney Avenue, Redwood City.
Getting directions to 876 Sweeney Avenue, Redwood City.
Bam.
Lisa.
If you don't want to talk, don't talk. You want messages?
Head south on Pulgas Avenue. Then turn right onto Beach Street.
Bam, there you go. So, you know, it's going to guide you through it. Plus, also, it gives you action for your Pandora, all your other functions on there. And see, just like that. I don't know if I can pick this with the phone. And we got other stuff right there. So anything that's on his phone, on things that work with Apple CarPlay can be added through his phone, and you can see it on the screen. So, you know, whether he wants to make phone calls, maps, whatever else, music. We'll go back to where Nina was at. And it's going to talk over the navigation we'll get in and tell him where he's going through the music. So I just want to let y'all see what I see. And
Go back to that. Where did that get to that Pandora? Back.
press start right there, yep. Pandora. Let's see some Pandora. There you go. There's a Nina right there. So just like that, y'all. If y'all know something about Nina Simone, I didn't know how much of a rebel she was. I saw on the Netflix special about her.
Yeah.
Oh man, what you got right there, man? In that bag, man.
Oh, this is the Big Money car stereo.
Okay.
Rap, you know?
There you go. If you're with me, you're with me. I'm everywhere you go. I'll be right there with you.
I might go change into that now. I might end up in Napa somewhere.
You never know. My man likes to do his breakfast runs, man. What do you like about getting out there and going and find different places to eat, man? I've seen you be encouraging people to come on out there and let's go.
Yeah, I just like to find little hole in the wall spots that that do good breakfast. I don't like the chains. I like to find different stuff.
Okay, and then you might meet people along the way and see what's going on.
Some people along the way. Well, I always meet people along the way.
Yeah.
People see you having a good time and just want to cut into you, and
they want to be me too.
they want to be a part of your day, and I'm okay with that.
Okay, y'all see that now. We out of here, Money's Car Stereo. We finna go take some cues from my man here and find us some food today. It's Sunday, a fun day. It's nice in California. We gotta go.